Welcome to Parent Studio. Choosing the right stroller can sometimes feel like an absolute minefield. We're here to cut out the jargon, to give you a straight, honest opinion on what we feel are some of the best strollers in the market. Today we want to focus on the Stokke YOYO, and one of the key features for us is when you are buying it, it's not a stroller where you're tied into the color. Now, while that's not very important, a year or 2 years down the line, you might want to refresh your stroller. You might have a second child. You maybe want to change the color. It could be from a pink, could be to a blue. It could just be that you feel like a bit of a change. So today, what I want to demonstrate is how quickly it is and how easy it is to change the color of a 6+ color pack. So today, what we see is we've got the hood and we've got the seat fabric. These two are the actual color parts of the yo-yo. You'll see everything else is in black. So when you get your yo-yo, you'll get the frame. In the frame, you'll get the base fabric and you'll get 2 wires, which you'll see me later pull out. But then what's important is that the color pack is an actual separate box, which any retailer is able to sell you. When you look online, you're busy purchasing the yo-yo, you'll see often these are bundled together, but those are actual virtual bundles. It's not a physical bundle. So what it means is you are still getting 2 boxes. So today we've got a leopard, which is quite an extraordinary color, a little bit limited edition. We're going to replace it on the aqua. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So first of all, I'm going to take off the hood and you'll see that there are 4 different loops on either side, and you'll see that this is where you've got the metal hood one, the second one at the bottom of here, quite easy, and then there's just Velcro at the back. So ready in maybe 30 seconds, I've taken the hood off as well. Seat base fabric, also just as easy. You'll have to unclip the 5-point harness to be able to pull the shoulder straps out. And then the lap belts as well, the central buckle, and then just underneath there is a loop which you must unloop as well. So there we go, we've taken. Now if you're going to clean your stroller and you're going to wash it, you can wash this machine washable. That's how you would take it off and you'd put it into the machine as well. Now what you left is with the base fabric, and the 2 inserts, the 2 metal inserts. This is what you would get in the main box as well. Now, what I'm going to show is how we put the leopard on. Me personally, I always start with the hood. Now, you'll see there's going to be 2 loops. You'll notice the one is larger than the other. So I'll start with the larger one as well. The larger one goes in the front part of the canopy, so all you have to do is look for the loop. You'll find a hole. 1. Second loop towards the back, just in front of the flap, next to the pocket. That'll be number 2. Okay, there we go. Hood's already prepared. Now to put the hood on, you'll see we've got these 2 brackets here that actually control the hood, and then on the inside of the frame, there's the other 2 hoods. So on the outer, we're going to put these. Make sure that your loop is on the outside so that you can tie it in to stop it from untangling itself. So that's 1. Keep the loop on the outside. The loop is on the outside, and that's 2. Okay, then at the back we're just gonna insert and pull the loop down, There we go. At the back, there's a Velcro. So what happens is you've got a longer Velcro strap, and then you've got 2 Velcro dots. One dot on the upper part of the seat pack, and then the overall at the back. So that's already the hood on. Then with the seat base fabric, you decide which level you have. If it's the first time you're doing it, you decide on the age of the child. There's 4 different adjustments, but if you're replacing it, you would have already set this out. There are 3 different loops over here. Today I'm just going to set it at the highest position, so you thread it through the top. That's 1. Also with some Velcro just at the top to affix it. Then what we do is we take the lap belt, the left one, and then the right one. Okay, now what we got to do is we got to reattach with the clip. So what I do is I just pull my hand straight down, and then what I do is I just face it back, and then we insert it. 1, 2, and then what we do is we take the central buckle, make sure that there's no twists, to make sure that they fit nicely. There we go, no twists. Then we insert the lap. Okay, there's additional Velcro on either side. That Velcro is going to now keep it in place. Then what we do is you mustn't forget this little loop. It's underneath. And there we go. We've now converted the color from an aqua to a leopard. Quite easy, great way to refresh. Love it.